Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to switch to personal account on TikTok. So first of all, go to settings, then go to the first option, manage account, and here you will see at the account control section the first option is going to be switch to personal account. Keep in mind that this option will be available only if you have already switched to creator or business account. So right now I have creator account activated. That's why I have these two options. So to switch to personal account, I just have to tap on it. Then I will receive this notification. Switch to personal account. If you switch to personal account, you won't be able to access analytics, TikTok Creator Marketplace, and other creator tools. You also won't receive updates about our latest creator account tools or new brand invitations. You can switch back to creator account anytime. So that's it. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one. Bye.